If you're looking for a convenient way to keep your Apple Watch charged with a couple of additional ports, then check out this Vrurc USB-C power delivery charger. It has 3 total things that you can charge at one time. You got a USB-A port, a USB-C port, and you also get an Apple Watch charger on the top of it. So this is really useful if you want to be able to charge several devices without having to actually pack an Apple Watch charger with you when you're on the go. So I really like this because you can just plug it into a wall. It's got this extra tall base on it, so it stays in place even when your Apple Watch is sitting on top. And as an added bonus, you can also charge AirPod Pro 2nd generation with this too. So it's just a very useful charger. This charges your Apple Watch at 2.5 watts, and the USB-C outlet can provide up to 20 watts of power, and the USB-A outlet can provide up to 18 watts of power. But if you're using multiple ports at the same time, then your total output does drop. So my recommendation is get this if you want to keep your iPhone, your AirPods, your Apple Watch all charged at the same time, because it's going to be really compact, really great for those simple devices. It'll also work okay on an iPad. It's not going to be as fast as some of the newer 30, 65 watt chargers, but it'll still do a good job at adding some extra juice to your iPad on the go as well. When you compare this to the stock 20 watt Apple USB-C charger, you're going to be pretty impressed that this is just a little bit bigger, but it has the folding plugs on the back, so that makes it really compact to actually carry it in a backpack. So I think this charger is a great buy for anyone who's looking for a simple charger just to give a little bit of juice for their Apple Watch on the go, while also providing ports to keep other devices charged at the same time. But if you're really looking for more versatility in a charger, I would personally just recommend buying a 3-port 65 watt or higher charger and just carrying an Apple Watch charger with you as well, because that's going to allow you to charge more different devices, and it's going to give you a higher power output. If you're interested in buying this Vrurc charger, I do have links in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any other questions about this charger. Like this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming content.